Happy 4th of July, everyone! It's currently 8 in the morning, and I'm out here at one of my favorite lakes of all time, Lake Berryessa. The current air temp is 57 degrees Fahrenheit, but honestly it feels more like 65. And the wind speed is about 10 to 12 miles per hour, so it's really not that bad, but later on it's supposed to pick up. I honestly don't know how long I'm gonna be fishing out here because it is 4th of July, so there's gonna be a shit ton of people out here later on in the afternoon. So that's why I came out here early in the morning, because I want to beat all the lake lice. If the fishing's really good today, I'll probably stay for about 6 to 7 hours, possibly 8. But if the fishing's just meh, then I'll probably call it quits sooner. My plan for today is to throw the jig around for a bit to see if I can get a solid jig bite, and if I can't, then I'll go back to the drop shot. Okay, I'm gonna go set up everything and then head out onto the water. But before I do that, I want to talk about one more thing, which are the comments that I received on my most recent video where I made a really stupid mistake. I want to thank each and every single one of you guys who left a comment, because your advice and tips were extremely helpful. I'm definitely going to be getting some rod leashes, so that way I won't lose any more rods. But honestly, you guys mean the world to me. Thank you so much for leaving such kind words, and I truly deeply appreciate all your support. If it wasn't for your support, I would not be making these videos, because I just would not have the motivation to keep going. But you guys seem to enjoy the videos, so I appreciate the positive feedback and the constructive criticism. So I'll keep on grinding and continue pumping out these videos for y'all. All right, it's time to do some fishing. See y'all in a minute. Man, it is slow as out here today. I haven't gotten a bite and I've already been out here for 30 minutes. This is not a good sign. Yesterday, I mean not yesterday, but last time I was out here, I was getting them on. Today, I haven't been able to find anything. What's also very surprising is I don't see anybody out here fishing today. I mean, it is 4th of July. It's about probably 9:30. There should be more people out here. A lot less people than I expected. This is really strange, guys. This is really strange. I am struggling to find any signs of life. I don't know where these fish are right now. They're being really weird. And also, having this problem with my pedal drive. Take a look at this. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but there's a clicking noise every time I go reverse. So if any of you guys know why it's making that clicking noise, it just started today. I was going reverse and then it started clicking, go like dot, dot, dot. You know, it's just this weird clicking sound, and it's kind of weirding me out and making me feel a bit uncomfortable, because I don't want anything to happen out here, especially in these choppy conditions. It's not good for bad shit to happen right now. That would not be good. So whatever it is, I'm hoping it isn't major. But again, if you guys can help me out, let me know what I could do to possibly fix it. I mean, I can still go reverse. It's just making these weird noises and it's making me uncomfortable. So any advice, tips, greatly appreciated, y'all. Oh. And I hooked the rock. Of course, that would happen. Of course, that would happen to me. I either lost everything or, yeah, I lost everything. Wow. This isn't good, guys. This isn't good. Oh, I'm getting destroyed out here. Literally getting wrecked out here. I need to find me some fish. My God. Has it ever been so slow? Not good, guys. Not good. Can't find these fish. They are nowhere to be found. They are literally, as of right now, nowhere to be found. I have no freaking clue where they are. This is really bad, guys. I'm just baffled beyond my wildest dreams. All my good spots are not producing anything. It's been really, really freaking dead. This might explain why there's not a lot of people out here. I don't see a single boat out here today. This is how you know this is a disaster of a trip. Take a look at that big smoke cloud straight in front of me. There's a big smoke cloud, and that's obviously from another crazy wildfire that is going on in the Napa Valley. This is absolutely insane. I mean, oh, there's so many wildfires going on. There's actually a couple right in the far distance over there where my rod is pointing. The one straight in front of me though is the biggest, and it's telling me that I ain't gonna catch shit out here today. Oh my god, valley's on fire, fish aren't biting. What the hell? What kind of a trip is this, man? I'm getting snags left and right, couple bites here and there, but they drop the bait as soon as I reel it up. So it's just not going well for me, and plus I'm still getting that weird clicking noise every time I go reverse. I don't get that noise when I go forward. When I go reverse, this noise, this really weird noise like this, it just really weirds me out. I have no idea why it's making that noise. Just a lot of things not going my way today. I already sacrificed my rod to the fish gods. What more do you want? What more do you want? Give me a goddamn break. This is summer. Oh, this is ridiculous. Look at these waves, man. What the hell? Why is it always so goddamn windy? You. You, Mother Nature. I'm gonna give you a big you. Alright, folks. After what feels like 3 million centuries, I finally caught a fish. Oh my god, I finally caught one. Holy cow, I cannot believe it. It's a freaking fish. Oh my god. Oh, this is amazing. He ain't even that big, but it just feels so amazing to be fighting a fish instead of fighting the current. Oh, Mr. Fishy, yeah, really made my day today. Oh, I was starting to get worried that I might get skunked. Oh, it's been so slow. Jesus. I have not been able to get a single bite up until now. Holy shit. This is a miracle. Alright, folks. He's on the board. 12.5 inches. Alright, that's what's up. You really made my day, Mr. Fishy. You really made my day. Oh my god. Finally. Alright, little dude. See ya. Swim off. There we go. There's one. Yeah, there's a fish. There we go. Woo! First jig fish of the day, boys. That's more like it. Woo! Got fighting you. Oh, he plopped off. Ah, oh, damn it. There's one. Oh, he's actually not that bad. The way he was biting, it felt like a little one. Oh, and these fish must be really finicky then, because he was giving me a really light tap. Could not tell whether or not I had a fish on, and I had to wait for a little while before I actually set the hook on this dude. He's not too bad. I mean, he's not that big. He's kind of small, but you know what, it's just been a very tough day today. I already lost 2 fish on the jig, so I decided to go back to Finesse to try to catch those fish that I've missed. This guy might be one of the fish that I hooked up earlier but lost. I don't know. They're all about this size. like 12 and a half, possibly 13 inches long. Not big at all. I am not finding anything over 13, 14 inches. Yeah, I haven't even found anything that's 14 inches long yet. And that's just not a good sign. I don't know why. I'm guessing that the lake has been pretty pressured recently or something. I don't know. That's my guess, honestly, because I'm even having a tough time with the drop shot. And at Berryessa, when nothing else works, the drop shot always catches fish. But today, man, it's just been brutal. And there's not even a lot of people out here. There's a couple boaters, a couple pleasure boaters, not a lot of fishermen out here today. So I don't really know why these fish are being finicky. Perhaps it's been the last few days. A lot of people are out here. That's my guess, honestly. So I don't know. But hey, fish is a fish. I'll take it. Alrighty, folks, he's on the board and he's about 12 3/4. So almost 13 inches long. Slightly bigger than the first one that I caught. Not a bad looking fish. Pretty little dude. Alright, see you, bud. Ooh. There's one. Oh yeah, and this one feels nice. Yeah. Oh yeah, he feels nice. Ooh. I was just complaining about not being able to find any quality sized fish. Well, now just got me one. Ooh. Let's loosen up that drag a little bit. Oh yeah, that's a nice fish. Alright, that calls for the net. Definitely calls for the net. That's a big fish. That's a big sucker. Alright. Just let him tire himself out while I fix the net situation. Whew. Should have brought this damn thing out. Keep saying I'm gonna bring it out and then I don't bring it out. That's honestly because the bite's been pretty slow, so I didn't even think I was gonna need the net, to be very honest. But now I'm for sure gonna have the net on deck. Ooh, come here, Bubba. Ooh. No, no, mate. There we go. Ooh. Woo-wee. That's an Independence Day fish for y'all. The moment I hooked this sucker, I was like, ooh, that is a nice fish. Feel the weight of him and everything. Yeah. Definitely nice. Oh. Woo-wee, look at that. Look at that big ass mouth. Finally. Long overdue for a nice one. Been grinding all day for a fish like this. It was so rewarding fighting it on the drop shot. Oh, I love fighting big fish on light tackle. It's just so much fun. They really give you a run for your money. Woo! Beautiful, beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. I mean, look at that color. It's so pretty. Got such a pretty pattern on her. Oh, what a beautiful largie. Gorgeous. Alrighty, folks, so the scale says she's at 2.5. I honestly thought she was bigger than that, but it's cool. Still the biggest fish of the day. Fought like a champ. Alright, she's at 17 inches long. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Definitely the biggest one of the day. Woo! So happy about this fish. Honestly made my day. For damn sure. I mean, look at that beauty. That's a donkey. Alright, I'm gonna take a picture of her and then do an underwater release. Alright, big girl. Thanks for the fight. Okay folks, I think it's time for an update. So the day started off pretty damn slow. I didn't get a bite for the first 4 hours that I was out here, and it wasn't until about 12 p.m. that I finally got my first fish, and it was only 12.5 inches, so it wasn't even that big, but hey, at least it was a keeper. As the day progressed, the bites still did not pick up, so I was starting to get worried that I might not get a limit today because of how slow it's been. And later on at around 1 p.m. I found some rocky banks that had some pretty good structure, and I tossed a jig around and I got a few bites, set the hook on a few of those fish, but they flopped off because I didn't do a proper hook set. After losing like 2 or 3 jig fish, I got tired and frustrated with throwing the jig around, so I put it away and I went back to the drop shot and fished those same areas where I lost the jig fish, and I managed to catch 2 keepers, one of them being 12 3/4 and the other one being a solid 17 inches, which currently is my best fish of the day. Okay, that's basically all I have to say for right now, so I'm gonna keep on fishing and hopefully I catch some more nice quality fish. See what happens. Catch y'all in a minute. There's one. Oh, this guy feels tiny. Tiny, tiny, tiny. Wow. Wow. Can you just flop off my hook, buddy? I don't even know how I hooked you, man. I was going after your bigger brothers and sisters. What the hell? But like I said before, drop shot doesn't discriminate, catches everything. Oh my god, will you just chill, buddy-o? You know, I think he's so tiny, I feel like he can... Oh, stop. Stop, man. Just stop. Stop. Yo, chill out, bro. Alright. As I was saying, before he rudely interrupted me, I think he's so tiny, he can actually fit right through this hole right here. Oh yeah, he can. Bye, bud. See ya. And he's gone. That's how tiny he is. He literally went right through the scupper hole. So, yeah. Interesting. There's one. Woo! There we go. Another good fighter. Net. Get over here, buddy. The net is ready for ya. Get over here. Oh, he's not as big as the first one. This one, he's not too bad. Still not that bad. Come over here. Come on. Come to the net. Come to Papa. Come on. God damn it. God damn it, bro. There we go. Whew. All right. Let's take a look at you, buddy. 4th keeper of the day. On a roll here. On a roll. Oh, this is awesome. My day's completely turned around. Went from not catching anything for 4 hours to catching 4 keepers in a span of about 2.5, 3 hours, I'd say. Yeah, not bad. Take a look at this fish, y'all. Ain't bad at all. Probably about 13, 14 inches. Solid keeper. Ain't a biggin, but that's cool. Still fought pretty well. Decent fish. Man, you know what this fool just did to my pants? He literally shot on my pants. What the hell, fish? What the hell are you thinking, boy? This pants is worth more than your life? What the hell are you doing? I'm gonna have to eat you now for that. I'm kidding. Alright, Mr. Shitter. It was a fun fight. See ya. Yes, got him. Got him. All right. There he is. He's on. He's on. Thought I lost him for a second, but he's on. I don't know how well he's hooked though. You know, try to spit that thing out. It's for damn sure. All right. In the net you go, buddy. Woo! Finally, folks, caught myself a jigfish. Oh, it's been so freaking long. Been trying so hard to catch a jigfish, and I finally caught one. Look at that hook set, perfect. He wasn't going nowhere. Feels so freaking good to catch a jigfish, honestly. There we go. It's a nice feeling, honestly. It's a really good feeling, even though this fish is not that big. He's probably just about 12 inches, honestly. I'm gonna measure him right now and see where he's at. All right, folks, so my guess was right. He is right at 12 inches, a little slightly over, but he's basically just at about 12 inches. So yeah, smallest fish of the day, but finally got my 5th keeper. Awesome. All right, see you, bud. This one. Oh, this one's nicer. This one's definitely nicer. All right. Definitely gotta bring on the net. Oh, he's not that big. I was exaggerating. He felt nicer. Alright, get over here, bud. You know what? I'm just gonna flip you into the yak. Ooh. There we go. No net needed. Was a good hook set. He wasn't going anywhere. Alright. Oh, there we go. This is a bigger fish. Bigger than the 5th keeper that I just caught. 6th keeper now. This is keeper number 6. Whew. Look at that fish, y'all. Ain't a biggin'. Probably about 13 inches, 14 maybe. This is generally what I've been catching today, so you know, it is what it is. It's been a really tough day. Haven't found much quality. Only caught one 17-incher, 2.5 pounder. That was the biggest one of the day. And I doubt I'm gonna get anything bigger than that because of how tough it's been today. So, you know, I'll just take whatever I can get. Okay, so he's on the board now, and he's almost 13 inches long. He's about 12 3/4, so not bad, not bad, not bad. Again, this is about the average size for today. Not a very good day of fishing. It's kind of mediocre, but hey, it's still fun catching fish. I ain't complaining. All right, buddy. Thanks for biting. See ya. Okay, folks, so I am back home now after a long day of fishing. Today was honestly one of the toughest days that I've had out there, and I'm not sure as to why that is. I mean, I know it's 4th of July and everything, but there weren't a lot of boaters out there, so I'm not sure why the fish were being so damn finicky today. I mean, honestly, I'm fortunate enough to get a limit today. Not a very impressive limit. Most of them were about 12 to 13 inches long, and the biggest one that I caught today was 17 inches, and she was a decent one, not a big one, but definitely the nicest one of the day. All my good spots out there were not producing at all, so that really puzzled me and honestly pissed me off quite a bit. Okay, I take it back. It didn't really piss me off a lot. I guess what really irritated me today was the fact that my pedal drive was acting up. And that worried me a lot because I was scared that it could break down at any moment and I'd be stranded out there. So I'm gonna contact Headwaters Kayak first thing tomorrow morning to figure this thing out and see if they can help me out. Luckily for me, I do have warranty on the kayak, so that is a big relief. However, dealing with all the warranty stuff and whatnot is a really big hassle and it's gonna make my head hurt, so I'm not looking forward to dealing with all that stuff. I'm really hoping that the issue with the pedal drive is not a big thing. I mean, if it's really a big thing and I have to get it replaced or whatever, then I'm gonna be pissed. I mean, it's just gonna be a headache to deal with. But hey, that's all part of the experience. It's all part of fishing, you know, shit happens, so it's nothing I can really do about it. Alright, my battery's about to die now, so thank you guys for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed the video, and as always, if you liked the video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please hit the big red subscribe button. Your subscription means a lot to me, so please hit the big red subscribe button and turn on your notifications so that you'll always be notified whenever I drop a new vlog. Whew, I am freaking tired, y'all. I have had no sleep and I went fishing for 11 hours, so I am absolutely burnt out. I'm gonna go hit the sack. Peace out!